Hey everybody, Josh for Populi here. If you're faculty or a teaching assistant and you're stuck with a finalized course, this video is for you. It's also for the academic admin and registrar role community. And that's because to change grades on unfinalized courses, course instructors and registrar type users will have to lay down their ancient hatreds and finally learn to work together. As terms end, faculty input grades and finalize their courses. And that's pretty much it. They're done. Unless you pulled the trigger on finalizing your course a little early. Turns out you have additional grades you need to enter, but you can't. Because once a faculty user finishes finalizing, they can no longer manage student grades, and they can't unlock that. That's when it's time to get in touch with someone who has the academic admin or registrar role, someone who oversees courses broadly. The next bit will only be useful to those user types, and they'll probably already know how to do this. But if you're faculty, you can pass this video over to them just in case. On the appropriate course, on the gradebook, click Manage Finalization. At the bottom of the page, uncheck Finalize course and all students. Then there's the option to uncheck all students. You can do that if you need to. But in some of these situations, you'll be adjusting a grade for a single student, so just uncheck the students who need to be edited. Once you've got the students you want to unfinalize unchecked, you'll click Submit. Now it's back to the course instructor. You'll be able to access the course as you did before you finalized and add or edit any grades for the affected students. And then, just like you did before, you'll finalize the course again, losing access, the whole bit. Quick note, you shouldn't have to unfinalize a course to enter grades for incomplete students. If you've changed a student's status to incomplete before you finalized your course, Populi lets you enter grades on those students on finalized courses. We have other resources, including links to a video dealing with incomplete students in the description. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.